Hello everyone, so thought I would do a little video. I look like trash right now, but basically I just got a really exciting delivery and I thought I would do an unboxing for you guys because I'm so excited. I just screamed for the last 2 minutes. I got my hands on one, guys. I've got no makeup on so I look like trash, but I wanted to unbox it for you guys and then I'm going to do a little review on it in a few days time. I'm going to get Animal Crossing on it. I'm so excited. Right, I'm going to open it up now. I'm so freaking excited. You have no idea. Right. How do I pull? Oh my god. I'm so excited. Oh my god, guys, I genuinely haven't been this excited since I got my last DS when I was like 10. Oh my god, it's so light. It doesn't even feel like I'm holding anything. Oh my god. My beauty, my little baby. To be fair, guys, it's a lot more greeny coloured than I thought. I thought it was a lighter colour than that, to be fair, but that's really cute. Oh my god, I'm in love. Oh my god. Oh, so that's where you put your game card in. But I haven't got a game card because I'm going to download Animal Crossing because they didn't have it in stock, basically. What else we got in here? Instruction manual. Oh my god. And a big old charger. Gee, that is big. I'm gonna go have a play around with this now. Yeah, let me just turn it on for you guys. Oh my god. Okay, bye guys. Okay, hello everyone. I look kind of weird with my glasses on, I'm not gonna lie. But anyway, so I have had, let me move this. You see, this video is a really chilled out video because I'm filming on my vlog camera, my G7X, and I am also sitting in this position. My glasses are so dirty. I'm sitting in this position, which has my ugly wardrobe that came with the house in it, so it does not match my room. Oh my god. And just has an ugly background of my hoodies and stuff on my door, so sorry about that, guys. Gross. I have had my Switch for about, been over a week. I can't remember when exactly I got it. It's definitely been over a week and I thought I would do a little review on it. Now I am hoping to get a case for it. I just want to get like a clear case and maybe put some like cute stickers on it and stuff, I don't know, but yeah. So in case you guys didn't know, I got this and then I bought Animal Crossing on it because I really wanted Animal Crossing. I had the DS when it came out. I had the pink one. I've still got it in my little thing down there. And then I got the DSi XL in blue as soon as that came out as well. Literally got it the day it came out. I pre-ordered it and everything when I was like 10 years old. So yeah, I have literally had DS's since I was probably about 5 or 6. So yeah, and I've always been obsessed with them, loved them literally to death. I used to be on there 24/7, literally like how I am with my phone right now pretty much. Also ignore how gross my hair looks, it's all kinky. And I used to like play on it at night, like sneakily under my covers and stuff like that when I was younger. Like, DS was my life. And obviously I got a Wii as well, but Wii never lived up to the expectations that DS did, but I did love my Wii as well. Had like every game, had all the Mario games. I loved it. So when this Switch came out, I really wanted it. So obviously I got the light version rather than the actual version because it's like £100 cheaper, and apparently there's not much difference. The only difference really is that the actual Switch, which has the removable controls at the side, you can put that on a TV and use it kind of like a Wii basically. That is literally the only difference between the two, in case you were wondering. See, I've got the turquoise one here. It is a lot darker turquoise, like you can't even tell on camera. Like on camera it looks how it looks when you go to buy it online, it looks more bluey, but in real life it's like a proper like greeny turquoise colour, which is really weird how you are seeing a completely different colour right now on screen. But yeah, obviously this is what it looks like. So yeah, gonna open it up. So I've now got 6 friends on here too, which is great. Mainly all my YouTube friends because none of my actual friends have one. So basically you can buy the games to actually, like the game cards, which is what you used to do with the DS, or you can download them straight on here. If you download them straight on here, I think it's got about 35 gigabytes I think of storage on here, so you can download that much of games. And then you have to get like a micro SD card if you want to have them all on here. Also discovered you can get YouTube on here, which is also amazing. I can watch myself on here. And it's a lot easier to connect to the internet than like DS was. DS, I never figured it out. It's really confusing. I even tried to do it the other day because me and my friend were gonna like try and play a game together on our DS's, but it was not happening. So yeah, super easy to use. You also can create a little me, which I think is really cute. I'm gonna try and cover up my game code, but you can see myself there. You create a me like you do it on the Wii. Animal Crossing, let's just talk about it for a minute. I am obsessed. I'm on there every single day and I just love it. For some reason as well, guys, I love the controls on here as opposed to a DS. Like I love the little, what do you even call them? The little, yeah, but basically I love it. I love it so much. It's super easy to use, like I said. The games are really expensive, that is the main thing. So I do want to get some more games, but obviously they are literally between 30 and 50 pounds, most of them on the 50 pound range, which is so expensive, especially when you pay like 200 pounds just for the Switch. It is really expensive, so that is why I've only got Animal Crossing at the moment. But I do want to get like Super Mario Bros, I want to get the Mario Kart 8, I also want to get Luigi's Mansion. They are the three that I want to get. But yeah, it's really easy to use. It charges up pretty quickly. It does lose battery quicker than I thought it would, like way quicker than like a DS would. My DS literally lasts days. This literally only lasts a day pretty much. So yeah, but it does charge up pretty quickly. Animal Crossing itself is amazing. So what I really like about Animal Crossing, so I have played oh my god, what is it called? I played the DS version and the Wii version of it. I think it's DS called like New Leaf or something like that, and I think the Wii one's called like Let's Go to the City or something like that. New Horizons, which is the one on the Switch, is the best. It is so good. So basically, instead of just being dumped on an island with everything already set up, you literally get dumped on an island with nothing, and you basically get like tents and stuff as houses, and then you like build the island yourself, which is so much fun, can I just say. So much fun. It's just like, it all like comes together now. Like if you played it before, you now understand how the whole island came about, which I think is really cool. I did just purchase the online thing this morning. It's £17.99 for a whole year. I was gonna get that, but then I thought, oh, I'll just try it out first. So I'm doing the week trial and then the month online, which is £3.49 I think for the month. So we're going to try that out later, which basically means you can visit other people's islands. We'll try that. Obviously can't say anything about that yet because I haven't got there, but yeah, honestly it's so addictive, so much fun, so much better than all the other Animal Crossings, and I used to be obsessed with Animal Crossing, like literally obsessed. Yeah, I just basically think you guys need to get one. If any of you guys want to send me your friend codes, make sure you check the description and just like click on my Instagram account and DM me on Instagram, and also I'll put it on the screen at the end anyway. DM me on Instagram what your friend code is and we can visit each other's islands. Yeah, no, seriously though guys, it is so much fun. I really do recommend these. At first I was a bit like, wow, I've just spent £200 on this, £50 on a game, is it worth it? And I was actually questioning it to begin with. The more you play it, like the more addicted you get and the better it gets, and I do not regret a thing. Like look how nice it looks. I just love it. I think it is worth the money, and I mean after like a few days you forget about how much money you spent on it anyway, and you're like, you just kind of accept the amount that you've got in your bank account, and you're like, yeah, what can you do? I don't think I have anything else to say about this really, but I do highly recommend it. Sorry I looked so disgusting in the first clips where I unboxed it. I've literally, this is the first day I've put on makeup in absolutely ages, so I'm probably going to film a few videos today because we actually look presentable. But yeah guys, so that is it for this video. I hope it helped you if you do want to get a Nintendo Switch. If you want any Animal Crossing videos or anything else to do with the Switch, let me know down below and I will do them for you, because I'm not gonna lie, I have been obsessed with watching Animal Crossing videos. I've been watching Alfie Day's his Twitch account. He's been playing Animal Crossing on there and I'm obsessed. like literally obsessed, because I keep seeing everybody with their 5-star islands, and obviously I haven't got to that point yet where I can like design it all and stuff. So I'm so excited to get to that point. But yeah. So guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to smash the thumbs up button. Also make sure to follow my social media, which is on the screen now, and subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all very soon with a new one. Bye!
I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better